to exercise 3, conservation of momentum in 2 dimensions. Here we have our launcher. I have it set at 0. You can see that. And it's going to launch off like it did before when we did projectile motion labs. In this case, however, I've added a little pedestal. There's going to be a second ball sitting here like that. And when the launcher hits it, both of them are going to go in different directions, and we're going to keep track of what happens after the collision. But before we do that, we have to figure out the momentum before the collision. So that's what we're going to do in this particular step. So what I'm going to do is set up the iPad. Let's see, I put it up a little bit. It needs a little bit of bump there. All right. So hopefully you're be able to see where it hits. So we're going to put a piece of paper. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, crap. I already have a ball in there. Okay, now we got 2 balls in there. Oh, all right. I accidentally put 2 balls in the launcher. I forgot I already had a ball in there. I'm only going to do 1 step on the spring. It works better that way than with 2. Okay, so here I'm going to launch the ball. Now, if you watched, it should have come between 1.4 and 1.5. So I'm going to put a piece of paper down there with a piece of carbon paper on top of it. And then we're going to take some data right around this place right here. So let's go see if it's bouncing there. We're going to take 5 trials. Yep. That's 1. I'm going to put another piece of tape on the edge of the paper here. I just don't want the paper to move. We've got 1 on there. 2. So this will give us an idea of the initial momentum of the ball, the distance. If it goes a further distance, it has a greater momentum. 3. 4. And 5. This will give us an idea of how much initial momentum it has. So now what we're going to do is set up, I'm going to close the video down and set up for the second part of this, which is the collision. The after, once the collision happens, we're going to find the 2 places and put paper down and track them as well.